let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, people. Tonight we've got a typical example of a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen in a courtroom setting who's avoiding his rental payments. This fellow is using the standard sovereign citizen playbook, and frankly he struggles to even speak the lines, so you can tell this situation is going to be hilarious. I mean, why would you appear in court, deny payment, and then pretend that the law doesn't apply to you? Does this guy honestly believe the judge will just say, "Oh, you're a sovereign citizen, my apologies, you are excused"? Spoiler alert, that is absolutely not how our legal system operates. Stick around until the conclusion, everyone, because this judge is going to force this man to fully face the repercussions for his behavior. Let's proceed now and observe this delusional sovereign citizen attempt to present his argument here.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952 AD. MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship.
Wow, what a great guy. I wasn't aware this little man could read so well. Seriously, credit to him for getting through this entire text. I realize reading is a very hard endeavor for these sovereign citizens, and truthfully this is one of the top reading sovereign citizens I've ever encountered, and believe me, I've seen my fair share. but it genuinely sounds like he's reciting a poem written for his mother. Affirming relation with the relationship, what does that phrase even mean? Like, honestly, who drafted this man's text? I would guess he likely sourced this from a social site or a video platform or something. There's no chance he invented this material. This person is actually out here rambling irrelevant stuff, and it's sincerely kind of causing me pain now. The pausing coupled with the absurdity is too intense, but that's what is expected from these morons recently. And candidly, it almost appears like his final two brain cells are struggling to voice this small text he created. But next, let me know what your opinions are. Is he acting ignorant here, or is he simply this foolish? Let's jump back in.
Relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I'm not sure if it's solely me, but this sovereign citizen appears like the kind of man who'd pass gas and then attempt to inhale it because he genuinely enjoys the scent. This is the variety of fellow in class who would locate some chewing gum under the table and think, complimentary snack, and just consume it. Now, here he is in a courthouse, failing to pay his lease and executing a complete theatrical show like his illegal mastermind. Frankly, I simply cannot have enough of how this judge is just moistening his digits and just aggravating this fellow. He's merely anticipating catching him in all of his nonsense. It's honestly akin to observing a feline tease a rodent before it attacks. Let's proceed immediately and delve further into watching this buffoon get thoroughly obliterated.
Yes, Judge.
On case number 233455509, this is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I'm gonna prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right, if you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So, good luck. Wish you well. Have a great.
This sovereign citizen simply won't be paying that exact amount every single month. If he believes he needn't pay $500 monthly for the rent, why does the court think he will immediately pay $700? This guy is already late on his rent. How can he pay more, especially when he cannot even grasp the simple court's rules? But frankly, it's also strange how the sovereign citizen just accepted the final verdict right there. Usually, these individuals begin yelling and losing it at the judge, but this man simply sat there and absorbed it effortlessly. Perhaps it's because he utilized all his mental strength just reading a few lines from his written script and couldn't gather the power to contest. I mean, it's rather hilarious when you consider it. These people truly believe they can evade the legislation only by reading some arbitrary judicial language from the web. Yet, in the end, the system knows exactly how to handle them, and this fellow just understood the difficult lesson. Anyway, what did you all think about this courtroom hearing? I thought it was particularly odd in the conclusion how he just accepted it. Please let me know your thoughts on this, and I will attempt to locate the continuation of this case if by chance he did not pay, which I suspect he did not, so please remain attentive for that when I do release it. But I thank you all for watching. Ensure to like and subscribe if you desire more similar material. Thank you again, everyone, be well.